हेलो एवरीवन, माय नेम इज कुलदीप सिंह राठौड़ एंड वेलकम इन बीटेक वाला प्लेटफॉर्म। गाइस, आप सबको पता है आपके करियर से रिलेटेड जो भी डिफरेंट टाइप के अपडेट इन्फॉर्मेशंस नोटिफिकेशंस आते हैं वो सब आपको टाइमली बेसिस पर शेयर कर दिए जाते हैं बीटेक वाला के प्लेटफॉर्म पर। गाइस, आप में से काफ़ी सारे स्टूडेंट जो है कॉलेज गोइंग स्टूडेंट्स होंगे और मल्टीपल डिफरेंट डिफरेंट टाइप की अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ और इन सब चीज़ों का वेट कर रहे होंगे। आप सबको पता है इंटर्नशिप्स एक काफ़ी अच्छी चीज़ आप लोगों के लिए यहाँ पर अवेलेबल है। तो इंटर्नशिप्स डेफिनेटली आपके रिज्यूमे को भी एक्स्ट्रा एज देती है और इसके साथ साथ आप लोगों को बाकी जो अदर इंपॉर्टेंट डिटेल्स है वो सब चीज़ें भी आपको यहाँ पर मिलती है। तो अगर हम बात करें इंटर्नशिप्स के बारे में तो कई सारे कॉलेजों में इंटर्नशिप्स इवन मैंडेटरी भी होती है और कई सारे कॉलेजेस में इंटर्नशिप्स जो स्टूडेंट्स करते हैं उनका रिज्यूमे एक्स्ट्रा एज में जाता है और बाद डेफिनेटली प्लेसमेंट्स वगैरह भी आपके काफ़ी सही होते हैं। तो इफ यू टॉक अबाउट गाइस टुडेज इंपॉर्टेंट डिटेल्स देन यू कैन चेक the paid internships for pursuing engineering and UG and PG students is available here. So advertisements release for all of you. R&D is a premier system laboratory which is functioning under the DRDO Ministry of Defense, and definitely they release their internships for the 6 month where those students who want to apply they can apply before 27 May 26 by the speed post, and here you can check 7th and 8th semester students are eligible to apply. So for mechanical civil 10 opening, electrical electronics 15 opening, computer science artificial intelligence 15 opening, total 40 openings are there. 5,000 per month total for 6 month, 30,000 stipend you will get. So definitely 6 month internships for BTech. And most important, if you are like a MEM Tech student, then these internships is for 11 month for all of you. Location is at R&D Pune, and those students who want to apply they can apply. Definitely those students who are entering in the final year they are eligible to apply based on your graduations percentage and all. They are going to shortlist you. Total 30,000 stipend you will get, and completion certificate also you will get once you are shortlist completed your all the internships related things. So while applying you need to send your important documents like graduation related things. So Google form is available, so those students who want to apply they can apply Google form. No hard copy submission is there, Google form you need to fill. So the 27 May 26 is the last date, so before that you need to fill this Google form, and this is the definitely easiest application process. The applications related form is also available. You need to take a printout, fill this, and then Google form is also here. We will attach the Google form link in the comment section of this video so you can access from it, and rest stay connected with the BTech wala platform. So we'll keep updating you related to the different type opportunities and all. So guys, as you know, like there are multiple different options are available for you. So if you complete your internships from the reputed organization like DRDO, then definitely you will get an extra edge over the other students. Internships are very important, and DRDO like organization is the providing you the best type of opportunities because it's a defense government of India big organizations. In future if you are calling college students you want to join the DRDO as a scientist, that will also possible, like once you clear the internships and then after that you can fight the gate exam, and through gate DRDO is also recruiting through the scientist post. So even in a final year you can become a, after final year you can become a scientist. So such type of opportunities you need to explore. We are with you to guide you in each and every stage. So rest you can join definitely Kuldeep sir underscore PW Telegram channel. So we will keep updating you for such type of opportunities. Thank you so much. Goodbye. Take care.